Hello guys, as you all know, recently I have visited to Sikkim and also Darjeeling. So today I am going to share you the project plan and also the trip details. So are you excited? So we started from Bhubaneswar to Howrah and our train name was Falaknama, whose charges is around 700 per person. And after that, day 2, we just do some local sightseeing at Howrah. Then we have our bus from Howrah to Siliguri. The bus name was Samole and its charges is 1450 per person and the bus was quite comfortable. After that, we started from Siliguri to Gangtok by a government bus of Sikkim whose charges is around 500 per person and it takes 5 hours to reach the destination. After reaching Gangtok, we just booked our hotel from GoIbigo, which is most trusted website I just feel. And the hotel cost is around 1500 per night. On day 4, on a very early morning, we started from Gangtok to Nathula Pass. And we just started around 7:30 am. We booked our traveler through a local travel agency and it cost is around 1000 per person. And let me clear you one thing, if you are just going to a very high altitude, so you must have an oxygen can and also camphor and medicines like for fever, cold and etc. because you have the possibilities of loose motion, vomiting, headache, fever, cold, anything can be happen, so be prepared with it. Due to landslide, we weren't able to visit Lachung and Lachin, so it was our bad luck I must say, but we decided to continue our journey. So on day 5 we started from Gangtok to Darjeeling, which is nearly about 94 kilometers, and we booked one local taxi and like Tata Sumo, and the driver allow 10 passengers compulsory. So we booked 3 tickets so that we can sit comfortably, and per ticket it charges around 400 rupees. After reaching the beautiful city Darjeeling, the queen of hills, we just booked our hotel and stayed that night. And on day 6 we booked one rented scooty to do some local sightseeing and it charges us around 1000 for 24 hours. We visited Batasa Loop War Memorial, which charges us around 60 rupees per person. And again we visited tea garden and we collected some tea pouches for gifting purpose, and then we also visited Darjeeling Zoo where you can see red panda, white tiger and wolf and many more mountain creatures, and it is very interesting, you must visit there, and it charges around 60 rupees per person. Then it was quite advantageous trip in Darjeeling because the road is quite slippery and it was very narrow, so I must say that be careful if you are booking a scooty in rent. So on day 7 we decided to have a ride in toy train, and you all know that toy trains comes under UNESCO World Heritage. So how can we miss that? Well, so the toy train charges is around 750 per person. We just have a ride from Darjeeling to Kurseong and it takes around 2 hours, and we reached at Kurseong is around 12 pm, and after that we have booked our local taxi from Kurseong to Siliguri, which charges is around 200 per person, and again we're back to Siliguri on day 7 and we just stayed at hotel. So on day 8 we have our early morning train from Siliguri to Howrah around 5:35 am. The train name is Shatabdi Express. We have also included food. So the price was around 1500 per person, and we reached Howrah around 2 o'clock, and we have 3 hours of gap in between for our next train. So we do some little shopping for me, yes, and then we have our next train at 5 pm. So that train name is Tiruchirappalli and the charges is 750 per person, and we reached Bhubaneswar around 12 am in the morning, not morning, in the midnight. So I must say it is completely a budget friendly trip. Our total trip charges including food and simple taxi and auto or something like that, it budget is around 27,000 for the trip of Sikkim and Darjeeling. So if you are planning for Sikkim and Darjeeling trip, then must watch my video, and if you have any doubt, then must DM me. Thank you and have a beautiful journey if you are planning.